everyone, I'm Dhrubajit from Zenika, Singapore, and today I will share with you how it was working for Zenika during this pandemic. At Zenika, most of our consultants are working on site at various clients, so we don't really meet each other as often. And with the lockdown, it was even harder. So Zenika started a weekly coffee sharing session where we join a meeting room through Zoom and we just chat and just talk. We already had the flexibility of working from home, so the transition to work full-time from home was not that difficult. So during this circuit breaker period, I would get regular calls from Zenica to see how I'm doing. And Zenica also offered professional psychological support until the end of July if we need it. The team also sent us well-being and care packages and some goodies to help us stay motivated. All in all, I would say I felt that I was quite well taken care of during this time. When working from home, there are some challenges, and for me, it was being able to stay disciplined and motivated enough to continue working and not get distracted and sidetracked. So one of the things that contributed to me being sidetracked was me having a very messy desk, which made me not want to work at all. So having a clean desk and a clean workspace is very important. In conclusion, I will say that yes, I'm quite lucky to be working in a company which cares about their employees. Thank you for listening to me. Take care of yourself and stay safe. Cheers.